Nigerians are fashionable people. They are known for their beautiful culture and unique dressing, especially during Owambe. They wear both locally made clothes and imported ones, including the well-known okrika, that is, clothes used abroad that are imported for rewear. Sadly, these textiles get thrown away when used over time, contributing to the 32 million tons of waste that Nigeria generates per year. These wastes end up in landfills and are burned in the open air, while some are thrown into water bodies, polluting everything it comes in contact with and have lasting damaging effects on our environment. But what would happen if these tons of textile waste could be recycled or reused? Imagine how much pain and agony we would be saving ourselves and the environment. Africa Collect Textiles, ACT, is a brand that does just that. It builds circular ecosystems for fashion and collects used textiles and textile waste for reuse and recycling. ACT has created a network of collection points where people can drop off unwanted textiles and footwear, while large volumes of waste are gathered by pickup service. After collection, the items are sorted. Wearable items are prepared for reuse, while non-wearable ones are recycled into bags, sandals, and filling material for toys and pillows. However, this can only happen with your support. Be a part of this vision when you invest in ACT. Let's make our environment a safer place to live in while creating jobs and relieving the impact the fashion industry has on our planet. Together, we can close the loop.
For more information to be a part of this, please visit www.africacollecttextiles.com.